Hey guys, are you looking for AI anime filter that is trending on TikTok? Do you want to add this effect to your videos but don't want to use CapCut? In this short tutorial, I will show you an easy way to get that AI anime filter without CapCut. After watching this video, you will know exactly how to apply the filter with simple steps and create fun videos instantly. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, first of all, we will open our Google Play Store and we will search for TikTok. You have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. If it says update right next to the TikTok, then you need to update your TikTok app. Otherwise, it will says open like mine, which means that you are using the latest version of the app. So now you have all the latest effects and features. Once you have updated your app to the latest version, open it up. Now you simply have to tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of the screen, and from here you simply have to search for AI Manga. Then at the very first search result is the AI manga filters. What you want to do now is tap on this icon over here, and now it will open up your camera and you can select so that you can use this filter. Now you can either upload a photo from your gallery or take a live photo. Right now I am simply going to select a photo from my gallery. As you can see that now this filter has been applied. So this is exactly how you can get the AL anime effect without CapCut or any third party apps. Okay, so guys, that's bring me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like this tutorial. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.